Welcome to Engine Explorer, my YouTube channel. And today we are diving into something that will completely change the way you think about road trips. The all-new 2026 Chevrolet Motorhome. This is not just a regular RV. This is a statement on wheels, a luxury apartment that moves, and a bold step forward for Chevrolet as they redefine comfort and style in the motorhome world. If you've ever dreamed of taking your entire home on the road without sacrificing luxury, performance, or technology, then you're going to love what you're about to see. The 2026 Chevrolet Motorhome is built to impress from the very first glance. Its exterior design is sleek and aerodynamic, with bold Chevrolet styling cues, chrome accents, and LED lighting all around. The massive panoramic windshield gives you a commanding view of the road, while the sculpted side panels and flush mount windows make it look more like a futuristic tour bus than a traditional RV. Chevrolet's engineers clearly wanted this to stand out at any campsite or luxury RV resort, and they have absolutely nailed it. Step inside, and you're immediately greeted by a cabin that feels more like a luxury penthouse than a motorhome. The living area is massive thanks to dual slide-outs that expand at the push of a button, creating a huge lounge space with premium leather seating, a reclining sofa, and even an optional electric fireplace. The interior lighting is fully customizable with LED ambient light strips, giving you the perfect mood whether you're relaxing after a long drive or hosting friends at your campsite. The kitchen in the 2026 Chevrolet Motorhome is a chef's dream. You get a full-size residential refrigerator, an induction cooktop, a convection oven, and a deep farmhouse sink with a pull-down sprayer. The countertops are solid surface with a choice of marble-style finishes, and there's more than enough storage thanks to beautifully crafted overhead cabinets with soft close hinges. Whether you're making a quick breakfast or cooking a gourmet dinner, this kitchen has everything you need on the road. Moving to the bedroom, Chevrolet has prioritized comfort with a king-size bed, memory foam mattress, and built-in USB-C charging ports on both sides. You also get a large wardrobe closet, hidden storage compartments under the bed, and even a smart TV so you can stream your favorite shows while relaxing. The bathroom feels like a mini spa, with a walk-in shower, rainfall shower head, glass doors, and a tankless water heater providing endless hot water, perfect for long showers after a day of exploring. Tech lovers will appreciate the fully digital cockpit with a massive touchscreen infotainment system that controls everything from navigation to climate, as well as an advanced driver assistance package with lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control, and 360-degree cameras for easy parking. Under the hood, Chevrolet has fitted a powerful and efficient V8 or optional diesel engine paired with a heavy-duty transmission, giving you smooth and confident driving even on steep mountain passes. Overall, the 2026 Chevrolet Motorhome is a perfect blend of luxury, practicality, and cutting-edge technology. It's designed for people who want to travel in style without compromise, and it shows in every detail. If you've been waiting for the ultimate RV experience, this might just be the one to put on your list. So, what do you think about the 2026 Chevrolet Motorhome? Would you take this luxury beast across the country? Let me know in the comments below. Hit that like button if you enjoyed this review, and subscribe to Engine Explorer for more deep dives into the most exciting vehicles hitting the road.